it's Asian Mom Cooking here. Today I'm going to show you how to make ground beef soup. And these are the ingredients you need. 1 tomato, half cup of green pea, half pound of ground beef, 2 eggs, water, cornstarch, black pepper, salt, sesame oil, and light soy. Okay, I'm going to marinate the ground beef. 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, 1/2 teaspoon of cornstarch, 2 tablespoons of light soy. Mix it. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of water so it's easier to mix. And then set aside to marinate. Okay, I'm going to use 5 cups of water. Okay, wait. I'm going to use high heat and boil the water. Small dice. Okay, my knife needs to be sharpened. I'm going to beat the egg first. The water is boiling. So now I am going to put in tomato, green pea, ground beef, little by little so it's in a cube. All the beef has gone in, so just let it boil. My soup has been boiling for 2 minutes. 2 tablespoons of cornstarch and 3 tablespoons of water. So just dissolve it. Moving it while putting it in. Give the soup a little bit more smooth texture. Just the egg, beat it again a little, and then just moving the utensil and just keep on moving while pouring in. I'm putting in 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon sesame oil, and turn off the heat. And the soup is ready to serve. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and click the bell to get notified next time I upload.